God, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a bone in their throat. Vomit it is not easy. Breaking news. Finland set to release Mazi Simon Ekpa. So please, if this is your first time coming across my channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification button in case of any interesting video like the video you're about to watch now. Then you will be notified. And also, don't forget to drop your opinion. Share this video massively. So my people, I hear this news keep since last day before day before yesterday. You know, Nigerian media, all they care is propaganda. Then, you know, since all this while, CDS, Chief of Army Defense or whatever they call him, Christopher Musa, come out to say that they have submitted all documents to Finland for Simon Ekpa repatriation to Nigeria. Since all this while, their media never say anything until recently when Finland tell Nigeria government that they did not find Simon Ekpa guilty of what they were charging Simon Ekpa for. And if they fail to come and bring evidence beyond reasonable doubt concerning Simon Ekpa, that by end of this month they will release him, guess what? Their social media begin to carry out propaganda as they normally do now. So listen to what Sahara reporter write recently. He said Nigeria government freeze bank account of Simon Ekpa, 16 others for alleged terrorism financing. Yes, now, yes. Boko Haram are not these people's problem. Boko Haram, it is not their problem. Bandit, you know, they have baptized Boko Haram to bandit now. They are not terrorists, but they are carrying a sophisticated ammunition all around. You see, let's read out another news from Daily Post Nigeria. Daily Post Nigeria updated again. All this update is yesterday. Maybe this morning, early this morning. All this update I'm reading out like this now is early this morning. Daily Post said President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has approved this designation of Finland-based Biafra nation agitator Simon Ekpa Njoko and 15 others as terrorism financier. Consequently, the Attorney General of the Federation, AGF, and Minister of Justice, Prince Latif Fagbemi, has listed the indicted Nigerians and certain entities on the Nigeria sanctions list. You don't hear them? You don't hear them? If nothing happened in Finland, they know they carry propaganda. Guess what now? Somebody they want to repatriate to Nigeria. How come suddenly they begin to freeze their accounts, they sanction them, they do all those things? All those things is irrelevant. Tagging them terrorists here. Whereas you claim you have taken evidence to Finland that will make Finland government to tag him a terrorist as well. Why are you here tagging him terrorist and freezing their account? Zoo is zoo. Zoo is zoo. And even some of us are here even believing the rubbish government. Person you want to repatriate down to Nigeria, why suddenly freezing his account, trying to sanction him for one thing or the other, designating, in fact, listen, Nigeria government has failed, and they failed woefully. I swear to Almighty God, if they release Simon Ekpa, believe you me, Nigeria will become a history. Let's hear Simon about our leader Maze Nnamdi Kanu. A Sahara reporter wrote this morning. All this thing you are hearing now is today. Breaking news: Nnamdi Kanu filed suit against violation of his right. Demand transfer of case to Southeast. Speedily trial. 100 billion damages. Sahara reporter. Oga. Nigeria care about human rights before. Zoo care about human rights before? Then don't care about human rights. But I thank God, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a bone in their throat. Vomit it is not easy. Then swallow it is not easy. And they know, see, let me tell you, you know the most problem about what is going on now. Trump coming back to power is their headache. And you know, Trump never say anything concerning Nigeria since all this while. Any day Trump will open his mouth to say anything concerning Nigeria, that day will be the end of Nigeria. But I will tell our government, United States of Biafra government, to act fast. Whatever they were doing, to do it fast. Because if Trump failed to say something very soon, let them do something that will trigger them to say something. Everything is in our hand now, as of now. Everything, because they were shivering. They don't know what to do. They were shivering. Nigeria government is shivering. They don't know where to start and what to do. Because of Trump. Because of Trump. Because of Trump. So, any day Trump will open mouth now, honestly, this country called Nigeria will be a history. Nigeria will be a history. And I still let our government, USB government, to plan well, to do what will trigger Trump to say something concerning United States of Biafra, which I know the first tenor of Trump, he know everything concerning Biafra. But I believe this time around, if he failed to say something very soon, let Biafrans do what will trigger him to say something. So from here, I will show you another video that will back up a video of Simon Ekpa, concerning Simon Ekpa. So I will leave you here to watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Your opinion matters under the comment section. Turn on your notification button, share the video and like the video so that it will help YouTube to recommend it to others. Thank you and God bless you. Let's watch the video.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to all of you, pending your time zone. Biafrans, I am here to give you updates on our Prime Minister and what is going on. And truth be told, our Prime Minister is doing wonderfully well. I keep telling you people that. Now, Nigerian terrorist government brought a witty allegation over our Prime Minister, which the witty allegation was that he was a terrorist, terrorizing the whole of the Southeast and the government of Nigeria. And when this was being put to check, trying to investigate all what Nigerian government has brought to Finnish authority, and what he said was that our Prime Minister is no longer a terrorist, that he is inciting us via his social media platforms. And they said, okay, what evidence do you have? So now the terrorist Nigerian government, headed by Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the drug lord, now said that the cyber incitement that they are bringing the evidence will be available in 6 months. And this is what our Prime Minister is going through today. Now, it is for our own good. Don't worry, it is for our own good. Now, because other countries were involved, what happened is that they now give us time they now give Nigerian government time to produce evidence. Without this evidence, they are going to, completely lift every restriction on our Prime Minister. And Biafrans, all this thing is happening for our own good. Now, the reason why they said 6 months is this: they never saw Madam Ngozi Orabueze in the picture. They thought when this happens that the followers of Master Simon Ekpa and the Biafrans will run away. And this is what they did: intimidation. But today, they did not see our Deputy Prime Minister coming. And the woman has now climbed the leadership mantle and held it with all humility. Now, I want to tell Nigerian government this, that what you have done is to catapult us to the next level. You will keep making mistakes that will always take us to our new level. Up till today, the Nigerian government has not been able to prove any case against our Prime Minister. Up till this moment that I'm speaking, the Nigerian terrorist government has not been able to come to Finland to prove their case, to defend any document. And today, we have been able to put Musa away completely. Today, Musa is no more talking about Master Simon Ekpa. Today, Musa is no more in the public domain. Today, we have made sure that Musa can never rise again in Nigeria as a military general. We have done that because today Musa has completely gone. He has run away because he knows what is going to come after. If he's kept his foot in Biafran land, he knows what is going to come. So we are not scared of telling him. Biafra is now a sovereign nation, and our 60 days still stand. Now we are running down to 30 days, and Nigerian government in our soil will see what they have never seen in their life. It is not a threat, because our nation is a sovereign nation. And I want to use this opportunity to tell every Biafrans, be resolute, be laser focused on the mandate. The mandate, the date is 29th of November 2024. That is our mandate, and nobody can take that away from us. Now I suddenly stop hearing online country. It seems you people have started realizing that Biafra is here for real. And let me tell you, all the killings that you did, all the unaliving that you did from December to this March that we are in, we never go unpunished. Retaliation is a must by the Biafran government. And I'm telling you people this. I'm not threatening anybody, and I'm not joking, because we cannot lose such people and go and fold our hands. You will see what is bigger than you. And I want to warn Soludo that you can never conduct election in Anambra State. It's not a joke. You can never conduct any election whatsoever in Anambra State. All these things that you are doing, we are watching you. No governor in the whole of the Southeast will conduct election. Believe you me. For those people who are threatening the government, you should cease fire. Cease fire, because the fire that is coming, you cannot comprehend it. And I want Biafrans to understand that nobody should bully them at this moment. Anybody that bullies you, rise up to the occasion to defend yourself. Nobody should bully you. And I want to tell the government of Nigeria that all these things you people are doing, all this nonsense you are doing, it is coming to an end. You can never kill any Biafran and go scot-free again. I'm giving you this thing. Now, I went to France the other day. The people I saw from the airport to my hotel room were all youths. And I keep wondering, when people like me come to talk here, they come to attack me. Oh, you don't have sense, you don't have a job, you are chasing clout. And I begin to wonder, if Nigerian youths are able to travel outside the country, honestly, you people will be the one trying to bring revolution in Nigeria. Like Showore is fighting for the poor people today. Like Showore is fighting for the less privileged today. You don't know what these people are ripping you off, and that's why you are always quick to attack us. So I am asking the Nigerian terrorist government to desist from doing anything that they're doing in the whole of the Southeast. We gave you 30 days and we're counting down. 60 days and we're counting down. Today we are counting down to 30 days, and it's going to definitely happen. Desist from anything Biafra. Take it away from our soil. Anything Nigeria, take it away from our soil. Biafra is being redeclared. Biafra is now a nation. And I don't see all of these people who will come and say online country, online country. I think for right now, you've started realizing that that online country is coming to be real. So the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I keep telling Nigerian government, is what will dissolve Nigeria completely. Go and mark my word. Is the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will dissolve Nigeria completely. Nigeria can never exist in Biafran land again. Believe you me. I am not here to threaten anybody, because our state, our nation is a sovereign nation. It is being redeclared, and such should hold. The illegitimate president of Nigeria, the drug lord, I want to use this opportunity to thank you for what you have been doing in the Southeast by killing our people. We will rise to the occasion very soon. And I'm telling you, this is no joke. All the people you have killed, retaliation for them is a must, and we'll carry it out. Believe you me. Thank you, Biafrans, for this short clip. I must stop and attend to other things. May God bless you all. Follow Madam Ngozi Orabueze. She is the one taking us to the new dimension, and she is the one holding on to the mandate of Simon Ekpa, of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Every other people, every other persons are fraud. I will come and expose Sonny Aparawa very soon, maybe in my next video. Thank you, Biafrans, and may God bless you all. Believe that. Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to all of you, depending your time zone and depending where you are watching and hearing me from this very wonderful morning. I just want to take this opportunity to answer these few questions that some people have been asking on my comment section, and some of them chatted me privately, and it's very important for me to put it out there correctly. Number one is, within Madam Ngozi Orabueze and Ogenkere, who are we going to be supporting? And we are very confused. My brothers and sisters have said times without number in this very broadcast of mine, the person you should follow is Madam Ngozi Orabueze. That is the surrogate for Prime Minister. And I want to say this to Biafrans. If you really truly love the Prime Minister, the Biafran Prime Minister, which is Simon Ekpa, follow everything that Madam Orabueze is doing. Ogenkere, and I repeat, Ogenkere has been paid, bribed by the Nigerian government to discuttle what we are doing, to come and demolish what we are doing. Ogenkere, and I repeat it, he has been paid by the Nigerian system. You can see I am not shaking. I am not scared saying it, because I know that is what happened. Madam Ngozi Orabueze is the right person to follow as we speak until our Prime Minister comes out. Our Prime Minister is not dead. Our Prime Minister is still living. Our Prime Minister is attending to the issues that the terrorist Nigerian government brought against him. He's still going to be out, but it's okay. If you say you want to follow Genkere, it is okay. If you say you want to follow Madam Orabueze, that is your business. I will not force you to do the right thing. After all, the Bible said that I've given you life and death, but choose life that you may live. So our supreme leader that was kidnapped from Kenya remains Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Ohamadike one of the Biafran, United States of Biafra. Our Prime Minister remains Mazi Simon Ekpa, who is attending to the issues of terrorism and cyber incitement brought against him by the terrorist Nigerian government. And today, you people need to know the truth. The truth is that the Nigerian terrorist government and the Enugu State governor paid huge amount of money to destroy this Biafran redeclaration. And that is why Madam Ngozi Orabueze declared independence of Biafra nation on the 29th of November 2025. 4. And I must say this, if Ogenkere calls himself the acting prime minister, what has he done for Biafrans to say this is indeed the acting prime minister? Ogenkere is not working for Biafrans. He's working for the Nigerian terrorist government. And Sonia Akparawa is not working for Biafrans. They are working for Nigerian terrorist government. Sonia Akparawa is the Senate President of Nigerian's cousin or brother. I don't know, but I don't know whether it's the cousin or the direct brother, but they are related. They are related. And so this is why they have paid huge amount of money to destroy Nigerian, the struggle of Biafra. So this is the facts on ground, and take it to the bank. I had never come here to lie to Biafrans. Biafrans, you know me. If you detest any lie from what I have been saying, please write it on my comment section. I'm not going to delete your comment. People will read it. People will say it. Do you understand what I'm saying? Sonia Akparawa is the brother to the current Senate President of Nigeria, which his name is Senator Akpabio, the criminal man that EFCC was going after. Tinubu, the criminal Tinubu, the drug lord of Nigeria, brought him into power. Sonia Akparawa is not working for the Biafrans. Ogenkere is not working for Biafrans. Ogenkere is destroying the Biafran struggle. If you say or you claim you love our prime minister, why don't you wait for our prime minister to come out before you can start attacking her? Now, this man refused to come and give account of Biafran donation in his possession. And this has been the problem all this while. So please, Biafrans, I am begging you, I still remain your humble servant. I am begging you, go and listen to Madam Ngozi Orabueze. Stop getting confused. There is no confusion here. Go and listen to her. And this year, I promise Biafrans, we are going home. We are completely going home. And I keep telling you, what you don't know is bigger than you. Mazi Simon Ekpa keeps telling us that what we don't know is bigger than you. Nobody, as we speak, has been able to speak to our prime minister. So forget all those shenanigans that they are doing. Forget whatever anybody is putting out there in the public. It is not true. Do not listen to them. Anything you do not hear from the government of Madam Ngozi Orabueze, disregard it. Thank you, Biafrans. I hope this message I've been able to clear you and I've been able to clear the air.